Hey y'all, well, I am over here at the beach house and we have been working so hard to get everything ready for our guests. We've had two guests so far, and as we go along, I'm finding things that I have forgotten. And one of the things I was thinking about was lighting. I haven't done anything with our outdoor lighting, so I wanted to go ahead and get some lighting in so that guests, when they come in, they'll be able to see where they're walking and going up the stairs. So it'll be a nice, safe transition for them. So I'm going to be using the lights again from XM Cosy that I used at my house. So I have the ones that go along my shade garden on both sides of the back of my house, and I absolutely love them. And then I also have the ones that go around the pool. They're the little lamps that go around, and you can change them to different colors. These new lights I've never tried before, so I'm excited to see all the different features of them. So we're going to go ahead and get them opened up and get them set up so our guests can have a great experience. Okay, so these are the solar pathway lights, and this is a pack of 6. I'll make sure to leave all the information in the description down below, so if you want to pick some up. But I want to go ahead and get these unwrapped and we'll see what they look like together. Okay, so I was just reading over the instructions, and if you take the light part off, it has the different levels that you can adjust. Now, my other ones don't have this feature. So you can go the brightness level from low to high. Then you can also do the temperature on these. So you can do the WW, which is the warm white, and then the CW, which is the cool white, and the NW, which is the neutral white. So that is a really neat feature that my other ones don't have. So let me go ahead and get this one put together, and then we can look at the differences in the color because I'm interested to find out that. It's kind of perfect that it's starting to rain so that it's not as bright, so we can kind of compare the colors. So there's the warm white. Oops, let's see. Cool white and the neutral white. Oh, that's so neat. I think I like the warm white. I think that's going to be really pretty outside. They're also perfect enough as it is, weatherproof, so you can put them out in the rain. So I'm going to get these together. I'm going to set them on the warm white setting and put these out and see how they look. And then we'll kind of compare with the cool white and the neutral white. Okay, so I have 3 of them set out right now. You can tell everything is raining out here. We've got the thunder going on. They're getting wet. And let's see. There we go. Even during the day, look how bright they are. So I'm covering up the solar panel so it can trick it to tell it that it's dark outside. Okay. So we have the warm white, the neutral white, and the cool white. I think I do like the warm white. Yes, so I'm going to change all of them to the warm white. So just as easy as that, right in here. And then you can also adjust the brightness of that warm white. That's low. Let's move it over to high. So you got low and then high. And I'm sure these are going to need more charge as we go along. This is the charge that came with them. And look how easy that is. So if you change your mind, you can just take them off and change them. Okay. Screw that back on. Getting wet over here. It's not bothering them at all. Warm white. I love having this option, guys. And this is going to be perfect because this is where everybody parks. So when they come in, they'll have more lighting to be able to see to get up to our stairs here. So that's going to be perfect. So let me get the other ones together. I think what I'm going to do with those is put them in right here. So we'll have this side lit up for the stairs as well. Since I have rocks over here, I went ahead and used my little screwdriver just to kind of make sure that the rocks were cleared out so it could go in there nice and smooth. Perfect. And then I'll just fill the rocks back in. I don't want to get my hands dirty yet. Clear it out like that. I'm gonna take this one, pop it in. This has been so quick. Might have to open that up a little bit more. And definitely if you're just going into dirt without rocks, a lot easier. Okay, so I got them all put in, and look guys how pretty they are. I love how they just fit so perfectly right there, and they go up to the stairs, so this will be all lit at night. And then on the other side, you can see everything's getting rained on right now. Oh my goodness. It'll be right here when they come in, they park their cars, and they'll be able to see as they're getting in and out. And I need to get some more so I can add some more onto there. So that is going to be so fantastic. I was planning on showing you guys some more outside. I did not know it's going to start raining like this. I've been inside cleaning, and I was like, I need to go ahead and get those lights put up before I leave. And then the bottom falls out on me. So I hope this gives you some inspiration if you are looking for some lighting for your landscape. Definitely check out XM Cosy Plus. I have been using their lights for the past year, and they have been terrific. They're very durable, and with these new features of having the cool white, the warm white, and the neutral white, I am so excited about those. It just makes it customized to your space. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you have a chance to get in your gardens today if it's not raining like mine. Bye friends.